Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to customize Windows 11 desktop. Here are the steps to customize your Windows 11 desktop and make it your own. First, right-click Desktop. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and choose Personalize. Change background. Click Background, then choose a picture, solid color, or slideshow. Set custom wallpaper. Select Browse Photos. Locate the location of your picture. Choose your picture by clicking on it. Then confirm by clicking Choose Picture to upload your own image as wallpaper. Change theme. Go back to Personalization, Themes, then click on Browse Themes, and choose or download a new theme from the Microsoft Store by clicking Get. Customize colors. Go back to Personalization, under Colors, change accent colors, transparency effects, etc. Adjust taskbar settings. Go to Personalization, Taskbar to change alignment, show or hide icons, or enable widgets. Change desktop icons. Navigate to Themes, Desktop icon settings, and choose which icons appear. For example, this PC, recycled bin, etc. By checking it, then hit Apply, and then OK. Add or remove widgets. Click the Widgets button on the taskbar, or press Win plus W, then add or hide widgets. Use virtual desktops. Press Win plus Tab, then click New Desktop to organize workspaces with different apps. Install a custom cursor. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Mouse, Additional mouse settings, Pointers, and select or browse for a new cursor scheme. Click on your chosen cursor, then hit Apply and hit OK. Add live wallpapers. Optional. Use third-party apps like Lively Wallpaper to set animated or video wallpapers. Install Rainmeter Advanced. Download Rainmeter to add customizable widgets, system monitors, and more for a fully personalized desktop experience. With these steps, your Windows 11 desktop can reflect your personality and boost your productivity. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.